Hey guys, this is Melissa, Diamond Nana. I always forget to say this, so I just wanted to say it before I start this video. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Hey guys, this is Melissa, Diamond Nana. Got an unboxing for you. It's from Ever After. It's a premium licensed diamond painting experience featuring legally licensed artwork. You got your Ever After with their logo here. Then you've got everafterdiamondpainting.com. On the other end, you've got Create Your Own Fairy Tale. Comes in a box. This box with a plastic cover. Come in another box. This one actually shipped by Ezell. And if you store them on the end, you can see this beautiful image. Meri by Regan Kubecek. It's a round painting. So I'm going to take it out of this plastic and show you some beautiness. Beautifulness. Beautifulness. Is that a word? Did I just make up a word? I think I did. I couldn't get it all the way off, so. This box is a little dent, but I guarantee you it won't hurt the painting at all. Nope. I'm right. It didn't. So with Ever After, it is in this thick dust bag that I can't never figure out how to get into. Here we go. You get an inventory sheet. This one is a 44.4 by 65.5 centimeter. It is canvas number JR071, which you will find on the inventory sheet. You will find on the sticker sheet. You will find on the canvas. And you will find on the drills. It has 57 bags with 56 colors. That means we're going to have 2 bags of some color. Yeah, what I figured, 310. The symbol, drill field. The legend has the symbol, the color number, DMC color number, the quantity needed, and the quantity given. You could see you need 35 of them. They send us 100, that's the weight in grams in one bag. Then it goes 1 through 8, A, then the arrow. Then you go C, D, E, F, backwards G, H, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, no Q, R, no S. This is the rabbit ears. T, U, V, no W, X, Y, and the Z is backwards. You got your percent sign. You got your star, your plus sign. And then you got some lowercase letters and symbols. So everything is plain there as well as it is on the canvas. Oh, I'm so excited for this one. I wanted her so bad. Then again, you get your sticker sheet that has the glass slipper in the case. Got your Ever After, the kit number JR071. It's round with 4 ABs and 1 Forever Dust. You've got your carriage, your mirror. You've got your thumbnail, Meri by Regan Kubecek. Then you've got the wand, and then the crown down here. Jessica has made this all about your fairy tales. Each individual sticker is individual. This is all a sticker sheet, so you have extra labels there you can see. Real plain. Only thing in this kit that's not going to have that JR071 number is the toolkit. In the toolkit, you get create your own fairy tale tweezers. Y'all forgive my fingernails. I need to do them. I need to cut them off because they're all broke. Create your own fairy tale. They are the El Sharpo tweezers. So please keep them sheathed up or you will poke yourself with them. You get a single placer, clear pen with a single placer and a 3-placer. A purple squishy. A 9-placer. Your white Mossville boat. And you get 2, 4, 6 little squares of wax in this cute little case. And that's your toolkit on Ever After. Y'all excuse the shadows here. Right here is the JR071. And look at this color palette. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And what we've all been waiting for. You can roll this backwards as it is poured glue and flatten it out, but I don't want to do that because I'm going to roll it up and put it back in the box. I'll give you a tour of the canvas. You have create your own fairy tale with the glass slippers. Jessica has really made this about your fairy tale. Then you got your thumbnail. You've got that legend going down the side. You do have the legend over here, and it goes down this side as well. Oh, and I bumped y'all. This canvas is a silk flock canvas. It's not that artisty canvas. It's a soft lint. Not lint. There is the drill fill, which is super clear. All over it. And we're going to lay her out. Isn't she gorgeous? Down on the bottom of that canvas, you have Ever After's logo. Then you have Ever After DiamondPainting.com. And you have the name of the image. You have a copyright symbol with the Regan Kubecek as the artist. She is paid for this, for her artwork. She is licensed through Ever After. And again, there is your symbol number. She is paid for her artwork. Very fairly compensated. 44.4 by 65.5 centimeters. And look at her. Isn't she gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. Look at those bigger eyes. Look at that face. All of Jessica's images are hand rendered. And these, if you can see these little creases in here, they are not creases in the canvas. It is in this thick. This is very, very thick cover. And see it flattens right out. Of course, it's where it shifts in transit, you know, and being rolled up in the box and being shipped and everything. But it flattens out just perfectly. As you can see, there's nothing. You can see my shadow. But as you can see, there's nothing on the back of the canvas. It is flat. And we're going to pull out special drill. And I do this little special thing for y'all where you will not see or you will see me struggling to get these special drills out, but you won't hear the crinkling. So we've got .208 AB. Those are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. You've got 209 AB. Look at that. Gorgeous. Then you've got 552 AB. Gorgeous. Then you've got 964 AB. No. Yes. No, yes. Look at that. Gorgeousness. Now, these have Aurora Borealis coating on them, which makes when you put them down on the canvas, it makes everything around them sparkle just a little bit more. And these give off different hues of different colors and makes the other drills around it. Then you've got 959 Forever Dust. And it's hard to show these. And I'm bumping y'all. This has a mica powder. You can see it a little bit right there. A mica powder coating on them. that makes the drill around sparkle just a little bit more. These are gorgeous. It's one of my favorite colors, by the way. And that is the special drills. And I'm going to turn her back over and let y'all all see her gorgeousness again. Isn't she gorgeous? I love Regan. Oh, she is gorgeous. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye now.